Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaykum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Yeah, so what happened basically is that me and my father, we went to like the photo studio in order to like take pictures for the visa because we're gonna be going to Malaysia next month, I guess, inshallah. Now, the thing is, what happened is that the editor in that studio, he edited my picture in the sense that he did not make my nose thinner or smaller or make me more handsome or more uglier or make me more like, I don't know, whiter or something. I mean, he did like increase the tone, I guess, increase the light or the brightness of the picture. I don't know. But the thing is, one of the question that I'm asking is that he edited my picture in the sense that my hair was falling on my eyebrows, and he took a part of my skin and added it. He copied it or did something and added a part of my skin on that hair. So that hair is now covered up because my father said to like remove the hair from the eyebrows, and otherwise everything else is the same. Like my eyebrows is the same and everything else is the same. He just removed the hair by adding a part of my skin, and some of my hair were like standing up. So he erased those hairs and stuff. So am I sinful? I was there and I did not stop him.
You should have stopped him. You should have stopped him because such Photoshop would be changing the creation of Allah Azza wa Jal. Now, legally, this did not change any of your features, and your face is the same as your face. Nothing has changed in your facial features, but still such Photoshop would not have been appropriate. Are you sinful or not? I cannot tell you the truth. And if you can rectify this and have an actual picture as it is, and you just raise your hair before taking the photo, that would have been a better choice. Nevertheless, I think you still can use it, and Allah knows best.